Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I have a holiday drink here. I made like a little holiday cosmopolitan. It's really good. It's sangria with a little bit of a strawberry margarita mix, just like the mixer, like the strawberry, with lemon juice and then vodka. And then we got some blueberries in there because I don't have cranberries. But I am so excited for this video because I miss talking about fashion. I miss sitting down and talking with you guys. And as you know, we've been doing our Gab with Gab series. So this is going to be a part of that. And we're going to talk about fall and winter fashion. I'm so excited for this season. I'm so excited for fall and winter fashion because I feel like I have liked the style that is kind of trendy right now has always been kind of like my aesthetic. Like, I love classic, elegant 80s, 90s fashion, and I feel like right now is the perfect time to get in on it if it's something you're interested in, because it's kind of trendy right now, which I'm kind of a little annoyed about, but it's okay. It makes it better for me because now I can kind of ramp up my wardrobe with those items. Let me put my drink down a little bit. Okay, so I do have my phone here so that I can kind of look at the trends that I am talking about, so I can talk to you guys about them. And I am heading to Paris next month with my family. Excited to wear really cute outfits in Paris. I love dressing up in Paris, and it's like just so much fun. So a lot of these kind of trends I am going to be incorporating into my wardrobe while I'm there, and I have like a bunch of photos of outfit inspo, so I will be kind of giving you that inspo of what I will be wearing as well. And then when you see me wearing these items, I will be linking them for you. I will do some outfit videos and stuff like that, and of course we're gonna do a vlog for YouTube, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe and put on your notifications. Okay, with all that being said, let's get into my not only like predictions but also trends and items specifically, as well as just things that are kind of classics and timeless, as well as things that are trendy and kind of new and unexpected. So we're gonna get into a little bit of everything. Okay. First thing is something that I am wearing right now, and one of the first trends that we're gonna be seeing this fall and winter a lot, and you probably may have already seen this, is jewelry over clothing. This is something that I've always done. If you guys follow me, you know that I wear like rings with gloves, and like you'll see celebrities do this sometimes. Beyonce does it. It's something that is done, but it's definitely not like a mainstream fashion practice. I think that it's going to be way more trendy this fall and winter. We're going to see a lot more rings over gloves. We're going to see a lot more like long sleeve sweaters with bangles on top of them and things like that. We're going to see turtlenecks with necklaces and just a lot more brooches and jewelry over clothing, which is something I've always been into. I'm a huge brooch girl. I like to put brooches on sweaters. I put them on my coats. They're really great for if you have a cardigan that doesn't have a button. You could do like a little brooch in the middle. Super cute. I just feel like we're gonna see a lot of jewelry over clothing. It's something that, like I said, it's not never been done before, but it definitely is a little bit more trendy this time around. Okay, next thing that I think we're gonna see, this is a trend prediction. I think we're gonna see less earrings this winter. I think we're gonna see either like no earrings or very tiny earrings, and we're gonna see a lot more rings, just like stacked rings this winter. I think that people are going to be wearing a lot of like chunky necklaces again, and that earrings are kind of gonna take a back seat. I feel like especially in the winter when you're wearing like turtlenecks and you're wearing you know, scarves and hats, sometimes earrings can be really bothersome if you're wearing earmuffs. I know for me, and I just think it makes sense. But I think in particular this season we might see a shift towards really tiny earrings that are elegant or no earrings at all. And honestly, if you're wearing a big bracelet, you're wearing a lot of rings, you kind of don't even need a necklace. Like, there's something really chic about it. Excuse me, earrings. There's something really chic about like no earrings and just letting a bright red lip and your jewelry and your outfit really speak for you. It just gives very Coco Chanel, like take something off before you leave vibes. The next thing that is a huge trend this season, which you've probably noticed, is red and burgundy. So the color red, as you can see, is what I'm going for my Christmas theme this year. My tree is not done yet, but it's getting there. It's almost done. I'm going for a very simple, elegant, glam vibe this year. So we're going to see a lot of red bows for Christmas decorations, a lot of red decorations in general, a lot of red clothing, and I think burgundy is going to be like the it color this year. Burgundy is always a fall and winter color just because the fall and winter we end up wearing darker colors, more jewel tones, but I think in particular this season we're gonna see so much burgundy, and I'm gonna be taking part because I love burgundy. Like, it's one of my favorite colors. That wine deep red shade is so flattering on everybody, literally every skin tone. There's gonna be so much red purses. We're gonna see red burgundy purses, burgundy boots, burgundy tights, burgundy coats. It's gonna be burgundy in all types of materials. Faux leather, we're gonna see faux leather boots, faux leather bags. We're gonna see fur coats in burgundy. So much burgundy, and anything that you see that I'm posting here, like in the video as a reference, I will link down below for you if you want to get in on shopping those items. And thank you for using my links. It really means a lot to me. Okay, also another thing that I think we're going to see a lot of is unexpected color combinations. So speaking of burgundy, we're going to see a lot of burgundy mixed with other colors that we normally wouldn't see. So burgundy and blue, burgundy and navy, burgundy and gray, burgundy and olive green. These are combinations that people who are really into fashion, they already know about these. So if you're thinking like that's old news, good for you, you are the it girl. But I think most people, when they think of burgundy, they think of it like by itself, or maybe with black or cream, or you know, other darker colors. But I think we're going to see a shift of burgundy being worn with lighter colors, as well as different shades of burgundy, like more monochromatic outfits with burgundy. I think it's going to be really, really cool to see all the it girls wearing their burgundy and gray outfits this year. Another huge trend that we're going to be seeing this winter is like the Chanel aesthetic. We're going to see a lot of like faux Chanel blazers, cardigans, jackets, suits, blazer dresses, very elegant kind of vibes, but specifically in the taste and flavor of Chanel. Things that are like faux tweed, things that have buttons, cardigans, collars that are rounded. We're going to see a lot more turtlenecks with cardigans, and I think we're gonna see less of like the party club wear aesthetic, and it's really gonna be heavy on like that classy Chanel aesthetic vibe. Another huge trend this year that is something that's always popular this time of year, but I feel like this winter specifically, we are going to see a huge rise in outfits of mini skirts with tights. And we're going to see all types of tights. Like I said, we're going to see burgundy tights, olive green tights, printed tights. I am loving like polka dot printed tights, a leopard print printed tights, all types with like flowery decor and all these little like designs on them. Like, there's all different types, and I'm seeing a lot more accessibility in these styles. So I'm seeing a lot more plus size options, and I have some for you guys that I will link, like leopard print ones and bow print ones. Like, you can get them at all price points, and I think this is a great way to bring in something trendy and something new to your wardrobe without breaking the bank, because you can get something that's just for one season and wear them in all these different ways. You can get one pair of tights and wear them with all types of sweater dresses and skirts and different printed skirts and different tops. It's going to be a really great way to make use of those skirts that you bought and wear them with all these different tights. And you can use, you know, you could do faux leopard, you can do faux leather shorts instead of a skirt as well, to kind of break it up a little bit. But I definitely feel like this year we're gonna see just people wearing a really like uniform style of outfit, where it's like skirt and tights, and then they just kind of reinvent the wheel every time they put it together with different color combinations. Another trend that's something that is in my wheelhouse, it's one of my favorite things to wear, is off the shoulder tops. I think we're gonna see an influx of one shoulder sweaters, off the shoulder sweaters, Bardot sweaters, a lot of like asymmetrical sweaters where maybe one side like is lower than the other, higher than the other, and then really chunky sweaters that are off the shoulder that just give you a little bit of a breathing room when you're out, because I don't know about you guys, but it can be freezing cold and then you get in the restaurant and you're sweating. So this is a great option for traveling. If you're out and about, you know, you're bundled up with your scarf, but then when you get to the restaurant, you can take everything off and have your neck and your, you know, chest open and have a little bit more breathing room, so you're not sweating and clawing down at your turtleneck. So I think this is a really, really great trend, and it's one of my favorite things. I love, love, love off the shoulder tops. To me, they're so flattering, so sexy, and they're kind of like, they make you feel like you're like you lost weight, like you're like, skinny queen, look at my neck bones. Like, don't be offended, it's a joke. This area of my body is one of my favorite areas. Like, I think I have a really nice neck and nice shoulders, and I just love that look. I think it's so flattering. It's great also if you like wearing necklaces, and it's really great when you're out and about to take photos when you're at a restaurant, because it immediately makes you look a little bit more dressed up instead of something that's choking you. Who doesn't like to be choked sometimes though? So that is it. Let me know if you guys want a part 2, because I definitely have more for you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay glam, get you a drink, stay glam. I hope that you are excited for Christmas season. Let me know in the comments what other holiday outfit videos or holiday winter fashion. Just let me know what Christmassy and holiday videos you want to see for the winter, and I will see you in the next one. Love you. Stay glam.